Okay, we're cooking with cargo. And today, we're making wontons, Philly cheesesteaks. Yes,
Philly cheesesteak wontons.
Philly cheesesteak wontons. That's what we're making. And they're going to be superb. Trust me. I already know. So she's putting them together right now, getting them ready for to hit the grease. And then once it hits the grease, it's warming up over there at 350. You warming. Oh gosh, so this is how it's looking. This is how it's going down. Hey, come on, can you guys see?
They can't. It's cool if they can't.
That's how it's gonna look. And it's the grease. Yeah, so then I'm gonna show you the finished product in a second. When I throw down, and you know, go get the bands.